July 10th. This is an ongoing YouTube series on how to get data into the AWS Calendar Invite Server, how the data is sent off the Calendar Invite Server with the APIs, and what it looks like for the customer downstream when they receive calendar invites from the AWS Calendar Invite Server. To start with, though, we have a whole bunch of data here on the left. This is game data, as you see here. If I drill into the Twins versus Chicago today here, 11. This is game data that's on a personal calendar. I've sent that game data to the AWS Calendar Invite Server by using a simple command. That simple command is create@calendarsnack.com. That is our processing engine. The processing engine kind of works like this. As I do a quick review on what goes on. This quick review is the fact that this prop here is simulating the create@calendarsnack.com in a personal client. That data is sent to a processing box is a simple email service box. And then behind that is a elaborate set of lambdas that basically do all the disassembly and reassembly of the calendar invite data in the background. That's all you need to know for this part of the demo. I'll get back to it. So what I'm going to do here is show you that first off, before changing any data in the calendar invite server itself, I'm going to show you how we generate a calendar invite page itself. I'm just going to go ahead and decorate this page here. What you're seeing here in the interface is a piece of tech that we built called the Calendar Snack interface. This is a free app. You can go out and check it out. This demonstrates our technology. What I'm doing now is simulating that this on-the-fly generated calendar invite page has been sent to a customer like Zach. Zach's going to scroll down to the Twins. He's going to send himself a calendar invite for the Twins versus Chicago. There's the data there. It's the same data that's basically right here, the same data set. I haven't modified it at all. It was sent to the AWS Calendar Invite Server and processed. It showed up here on this self-generated page. In this page here, Zach just sent himself a calendar invite for the Twins. There he is there. I'm going to say yes for this game. So what I'm going to show you is the interaction part of data collection. So now that Zach has received this game, how would you know he said yes? We're going to go down to the 10th of July, which is today. We're going to go look for the Twins. You'll see that one invitation's been sent out. One RSVP has come back. Zach has accepted that RSVP. And let me scroll down. You'll see that there's been no updates to this the calendar invite being sent out on the AWS Calendar Invite Server. So what I'm going to show you here over in the organizer screen, which basically is the person that set up this data in the AWS Calendar Invite Server, is I'm going to say stop by booth 761 for a free prize. So as I do that, the data here will be shaped and shifted to the Calendar Invite Server through this injection mechanism I just spoke about. So how the data is being re-injected back into the box is we disassemble it again and we get it reassembled and send it back out for any update going on. So this is really, in here in the middle, we sent the new ones in, they were staged, we have an update going on, which is basically what I'm showing you here live in this demo. And you'll see that in the interface here, you'll see one update that's been pushed. So you'll see here in the update engine, we actually just pushed an update. How would you know that? Well, we go back here to Zach's email, and in the box is an updated calendar event, and it says stop by booth 761 for a free prize. Now, he may say, now I'm not sure I'm going to show up, or I may say no, let's do that. And what you'll see on the back end is we're collecting the calendar receipts here live as well. And what you're going to find out is there's one that obviously is come back, and you see that he declined it. So we're actually gathering data live from calendar invites downstream through this interactive engine we've built that monitors the calendar invite data. So what I just showed you here in recap was data going in through a create command that's staged here, our APIs talking to an app, which I showed you here with the Calendar Snack engine, and the ability to basically send out data from live upcoming web pages through a calendar calendar invite, and then the interactive part about changing the data on the organizer client and reprocessing on the Calendar Invite engine, and exploring the concept of updates and pushes for Calendar Invite marketing. Thanks for stopping by.